Hey theme lovers, welcome back to another exciting theme episode of Mobile Funda. Today's theme is going to be really interesting as it's based on HyperOS 3.0, and the best part is that this theme is completely stable, so you can easily use it daily without any issue. So before this theme gets discontinued, make sure to try it out. Well, if you like this theme, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, so you will keep getting more cool themes in the future. Now friends, let's check out this new HyperOS 3 theme. Like always, we will start with the lock screen. Here you can see a layout with a liquid glass style clock widget at the top, which also has a nice 3D effect. As for lock screen customization, then as soon as you double tap on this navigation bar, a customization panel will open, where you will get a few options. First, wallpapers, where you will get some default wallpapers with 3D effect. Second is the clock format, where you get a few options, and you can also customize the size of the clock. Third is the date format, which you can set them as you like. Fourth is the widget, where you get plenty of options to choose from. And lastly, few settings in Chinese language, which you can translate them and apply as per your choice. Apart from this, if you right swipe on the lock screen, a weather toggle opens, where you can see complete weather details. And if you swipe down from the top, you will get an iOS style notification toggle with some shortcuts. And the good thing is these shortcuts actually work. Now let's move to the home screen. I customize it like this with two big widgets at the top. If you want to use this white clock widget, then check out the video in the card above. Next are the icons. They look inspired by iOS, especially the system apps, but sadly there are no animations in them, which was a little disappointing for me. Moving to the status bar, first is the control center. It looks premium and stylish, inspired by HyperOS 3's top theme. The toggles come with a liquid glass look and smooth animations with blue and yellow color tones, making the design look more classy. The notification panel also has the same clean liquid glass style, which makes the theme feel more premium. The status bar icons are in iOS style, which gives a modern touch. Next is the volume control layout. It comes with stock animation and same blue-yellow design, which makes the theme feel complete. The setting menu is in stock layout, but the icons look fresh and eye-catching, especially in light mode. Even the swipe back gesture feels premium. You see a heart animation while using it, which makes it look unique. So these were the features of this theme. Now the funda is which theme is this and how to apply it. First, go to the pinned comment and download the backup file. Then install it using the backup and restore method. After that, open your theme store and you will see a new theme named AP26 3D something. Just apply it. Well, the wallpapers will be available on our Telegram channel. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this theme. If yes, then like this video and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to Mobile Funda for more theme videos. See you in the next video with another interesting theme. Till then, keep customizing.